When we talk about domain information gathering, then there's a lot of options that we have into the market, but which one should we use? Okay, there's a lot of which might be a bulky for our system, so which is the best web solution that we have into the market? And first thing, which is free. Okay, so today we are going to tell you a tool which is good for you, which is bad for you, and which one should you use for your domain information gathering. So let's get to the website. So there's a very interesting tool which is called digger.tools, right? So let's put a domain here. So we are targeting viehgroup.com as always. So this is what we got. So at first, this is showing actually the IP address that we have on the website. This is the MX record. This is the name server, which is Indian DNS we are using. SOA, okay, and TXT information which is being available. Now next thing which they are providing is DNS map. So exactly what you get in this DNS map is there will be a globe in which country your website is being visited and at what IP, what is the IP which is being used right there, right? So every IP is same, which means all the records are same for all the regions. Therefore, propagating was successful and the domain is not using GeoDNS. So GeoDNS is something for a specific website. There is a specific IP address. Like if you go through with the Google, if you go through with the TikTok, there will be a specific IP for different countries, like so where the GeoDNS is being used. Now let's get into the WHOIS information. Here we get domain name, where when it was registered, okay, what was the date, application date, and email ID. Actually, in most cases, you may find the email address and the phone number which was being used at the time of registration, but we have just isolated that a specific area, so you will not able to see the email ID and phone number that was being used by us. So this is what we get. Apart from this, the cert which was being associated or used. So how it works? Like it shows every certificate issue for a domain by a trusted CA is publicly announced and stored. The entries on the page was collected from cert.sh, which is website from also you can check crt.sh from where you also check out the certificate which was being used. Okay, this is actually from where all the service provider, those who are providing the domain information, took the information from there. So here you will get a lot of subdomains which was being used. Oh my god, what I'm doing, I'm just revealing the subdomains that I have. Anyways, these are the couple of subdomains that was being used along with the logged at what time it was logged, and not before and not after is being. So let's encrypt was used, which is basically used for the SSL, okay, for implementing SSL on this domain, which means like HTTP is being converted into HTTPS. So this is the subdomains that we have. First is mkumar.vihu, which is my portfolio site. Not so good, but let me show you like it's working also. Yeah, this is me, a funky person from VIH itself, and there's a tapitechnoself.vihgroup.com, AV Foundation, and a lot of domains are there. Okay, so this is actually sometime will going to help you when you do bug hunting or some web recent pen testing as well, because gathering subdomains is also very important part, right? So this is what you do. Now the very interesting thing that I got to know from this website, like this is the certain information that they are providing. Let's say encrypt is being used and all those things which they usually take from cert.sh. But subdomains, okay, here you can check out their status code as well. Usually what happens if we gather a subdomain, then we need to check like the domain is up or not, right? So for that we need to find out the status code, which is like 404 is like not available also. So we check for the status code and then get into the next process. Like these are the filter domain, these are the filter subdomain which is working. Okay. So from this website you can get to know what are the subdomain along with the first thing when it was first thing, along with this website still exist or not. Okay, so it still exists. Yes, 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 yes. Cross is something which is not being used right now or maybe deleted by the admins. Okay, so this is what information you can get from this website right there. Yeah, that's very true, that's very true. It says like academy.vis group is up, so let's check this website, is it up or not? Yeah, it seems to be up if I'm not wrong. Yeah, it's up. So this is from where you don't have to go for the status code and checking all those parameters, so you can directly get all those information from there. By the way, if you want any courses from this website, just drop a comment in this video and I'll give you access for free. There's a plenty of things, right? uh, Webinars, yeah, you can check out this section, webinar, and whatever webinar you want, just drop a comment and I'll give you for free. Yeah, so this is exactly what we get. Total 559 subdomain was found. Okay, so this is very interesting, right? And there are a couple of more free tools, which is global DNS, who is lookup, certificate logs, and stuff, which is basically the short link of the things that was being available into this menu bar. So this is very important. Just use this. This is very helpful. Just use this tool and let me know what you feel. Is it good for you or not? And this is a lot of information. Just explore this tool and let me know what you feel. So thank you for watching. Have a great day. Jai Hind.